the shoreline of Cagayan Valley. And that is why they are elevated, in order to protect the house against high tide or heavy floods. And these houses made from pure wood are what we call poor man's house o bahay po ng mga ordinaryo o mahihirap na Pinoy noong araw. Because back in the early days, Ma'am and Sir, the prices of woods like that are much cheaper than the prices of adobe stones, kagaya po ng mga batong ganito. Kasi before, very abundant pa po ang mga kahoy na ganyan. Unlike sa panahon natin ngayon, it's the other way around. The prices of the woods are much higher na po kasi kakaunti na sila. As of now, the Casa Cagayans are another houses for rent here in Las Casas na studio type po ang bawat isa.
For rent din?
Once again, the Casa Cagayans from Cagayan Valley. Yes, ma'am. Ano niyo po siya hotel. And pasok na po tayo dun sa ating next house, yung sinasabi kong ginamit po sa shoot and
How much is the rent?
6,000 per night po, ma'am. Ideal for 4 po.
bedroom yan?
Isang kwarto lang po siya, ma'am. Studio type po kasi siya. Air condition na po siya with your own bathroom po sa
Ah, di
loob.
maganda rin ang
Opo, mas maganda nga po yung mga ganyan. Very
maganda pa?
romantic. Opo.
Like a,
tahan.
like a
Ma'am?
tree house.
Bagay.
Kasi ma'am may nakarento po as of now. May nakatira po.
So,